Good day everyone, so I am Crystal Shane Kihana Dangin. So now, we're gonna tackle about one of the parts of the laboratory apparatuses, which is the Bunsen burner. So, the learning objective is to know the main parts of the Bunsen burner, to know the importance of the Bunsen burner, to know the different flames, what they are for and how to change from one flame to another, and to know the products of combustion. So before we proceed, let me introduce what is the Bunsen burner. So a Bunsen burner, named after Robert Bunsen, is a kind of gas burner used as a laboratory equipment. It produces a single open gas flame and it's used for heating, sterilization, and combustion. The gas can be natural gas or liquefied petroleum gas such as propane, butane, or a mixture. So these are the parts of the Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner has outer cone, inner cone, burner tube, collar, the gas source, and base. So let us proceed the function of each part. So the outer cone and inner cone. The flame produced at this point commonly consists of two cones. The outer cone is blue while the inner remains quite pale, almost invisible. The hottest part of the burner flame is at the tip of the inner cone, which a rich supply of air ensures the nearly total combustion of the gas. So the next one is burner tube. The barrel or burner tube is where the air and the gas mix. Collar. The collar, which is located at the bottom of the barrel, can be adjusted to control the air intake and the heat of the flame. So the collar can be burned to allow for more air to enter the burner by revealing air vents, or it can be rotated to occlude them. So the gas source or jet allows the gas to enter the barrel from tubing connected to the coil source and mix with air from the air hole before combustion. And so the last one is base. The barrel screws into a base which keeps the Bunsen burner stable and remains cool to allow safe relocation of the instruments during or after use. The gas inlet connects the Bunsen burner to the gas jet through a rubber gas intake tube. A spark lighter is commonly used for igniting the combustion of the gas and air.
I am April Rose R. Salon and I am going to discuss about the combustion. So, what is combustion? A combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give out heat. Combustion is considered to be one of the first chemical reactions controlled by humans. So, let's differentiate the combustion from an incomplete combustion. So, a complete combustion takes place in the presence of a sufficient amount of oxygen, while an incomplete combustion reaction takes place when there is an insufficient amount of oxygen supplies.
My name is Shanifa Lidiputuan. Letter D question: what makes a flame luminous? Luminous flame is formed when the air hook closed to the gas only with surrounding and the point of combustion and the top of burning and its yellow dye to complete reaction. It also caused by soot or small soot particles when carbon is a flame. Letter E, what types of flame is suitable for heating proposed? Flame using the gas is too high, and the yellow flame hook closed it used if you are leaving a Bunsen briefly. At if show up more easily reduce risk someone burning themselves on it.
So let's proceed to the conclusion. Where is the hottest and the coldest region of the flame? The hottest part of the flame is the blue one, at 2552 degrees Fahrenheit. That is where the flame has the most oxygen and you are getting complete combustion. The reddish part is the coldest part, about 1472 Fahrenheit. So when using a Bunsen burner, we have to be careful to avoid accident. Second one, how will you light up and turn off the burner? In watching the experiment, we learn how to properly light the Bunsen burner. They did it by connecting the Bunsen burner to the gas bulb and striking a flame, and it was lit. They adjust the air control until the flame was blue and had 2 or more distinct cones. That's all, thank you.